If your Redmi phone screen starts touching automatically, opening apps or scrolling by itself, then don't worry. This problem is called ghost touch, and it can happen due to software bugs, settings, or hardware issues. First, we need to confirm whether it is ghost touch or not. For that, open your phone settings, go to developer option, and turn on pointer location. Now look at your screen. If you see lines or tabs moving without touching the screen, then yes, this is ghost touch. Now let's try to fix it. First, if ghost touch is constant, the first thing you can do is clean your screen carefully with a soft cloth. Also remove your screen protector or boot case if you are using one, because cheap glass or covers can cause ghost touch. Now the second step, open your phone setting and go to display setting and turn off reading mode if they are enabled. Sometimes these display features interfere with touch detection and create ghost touches. Now the last step, check your phone update. Updating your phone can fix many touch bugs caused by software. If after trying all these steps the issue still persists, then the problem is likely hardware related. It could be due to display panel damage, touch IC problem, or water moisture inside the screen. In that case, the only solution is to visit a service center and replace the display or repair the touch IC.